Good day, mathematics, grade 4 learners. I am Mr. Malamaj. Before we get into our lesson, we have table of contents where we have cover page on slide number 1, then table of content is slide 2, introduction slide 3, measuring instruments we will find them on slide 4 and 5, content will be on slide 6, 7 and 8, then summary on slide 9, then we will end our lesson on slide 10. Welcome to our today's lesson. Our lesson for today as a mathematics class is about measurement. We will focus more on capacity and volume. But before we go any deeper, we must understand the two concepts. Capacity is the amount of substance that the object can hold, or the amount of space inside the object, while volume is the amount of space that object occupies. By understanding the two concepts, you will be able to measure and compare different containers and solve real-world problems that involve liquids. Measuring jugs or measuring cups have measuring scale units, either inside or outside, which help us to do calculations or to estimate the liquid that is inside the jug or the cup. Same as measuring spoons, they have measuring scale units on them, which makes our measuring much easier. In earlier grades, you may have came across with the basic units of measurement such as centimeter, meter, milliliter, and liters. Now we will go deeper into measurements, capacity and volume. In this lesson, you will learn how to determine the capacity of different container, objects, and understand the concept of the volume. To visualize capacity, think of a glass of water. How much liquid can it hold? That's capacity. We measure capacity using units like milliliters or liters for liquid. For example, 1 liter equals to 1000 milliliters, or 1000 milliliters equals to 1 liter. You will still learn about calculation and conversions when we go deeper into the lesson, and also at the end of this lesson you will be able to calculate capacity and convert the units, as I have already said. For example, 1 liter to milliliters is 1 liter times 1000 equals to 1000 milliliters, or milliliters to liters is 1000 milliliters divided by 1000, which makes a total of 1 liter. As mathematics learners, we must be able to calculate, and in this case we must know how to calculate the capacities. For example, we use multiplication when converting liters to milliliters, division when converting milliliters to liters. And what you must know is that we don't just multiply or divide with any number. For example, when converting liters to milliliters, we take the number of liters and multiply it with 1000 to give us the answer, which will be in milliliters. let's review what we have learned. In this lesson, we have learned about capacity and which units are used to measure capacity. We learned how to calculate the units and convert them from milliliters to liters or liters to milliliters. We are able to differentiate measuring instruments from normal objects. Thanks for your attendance. I hope you gained something. I will see you in our next lesson.